Hold up, you guys. This new AI video generator is a total game changer. I'm not even kidding. It's about to dethrone Velo 3. When Velo2Me first hit the internet, it absolutely blew up, especially with those insane lip sync videos.
Have you heard about the prompt theory, Seg?
Well, Veo 3 was just dethroned by this new AI video generator. The company, ByteDance, just released a new video model that is literally #1. This tool also has an audio feature specifically designed for lip syncing and AI influencers, and it absolutely crushes Veo 3 in that area as well.
This is actually my room. Do you like it?
And the best part is I found a new and better way to use it for free with unlimited access and without needing a temporary email. Now make sure you watch this video until the very end before you create your account. I repeat, do not create your account before watching this video until the end. Otherwise, you may not be eligible. Let's get into it.
So for those of you who've been living under a rock, Veo 3 has been an internet sensation. To get access, you had to jump through hoops just to apply through Flow. But its key feature? Creating incredible videos like this.
For example, check out this ASMR clip of a guy cutting a glass strawberry. Just look at the insane quality and listen to the audio.
As you can see, the quality is insane and it sticks to the prompt perfectly. But here's the kicker. If you check out their pricing page, it costs a whopping $125 a month. Well, guess what? China just completely demolished Veo 3 because the new #1 AI video model is here, and I'm about to show you how to use it for free.
Let me show you. If you go over here to Artificial Analysis AI, this is the interface you should be greeted with. What they're essentially doing is they're keeping a log and a ranking every single AI model. So basically, they're giving the same prompt to 2 different AI video models, and they're having the public choose which one is better. For example, for me, I prefer this one, so I'm gonna choose that one.
Then it goes on to load a new set of videos with different prompts and different AI models, and I get to choose which one is better. So using this stat, this is not my opinion, this is the public's opinion. Using this opinion, a new AI video model has just dropped. And if you go over to the leaderboard and go over to text to video, as you can see, this new model is ranked #1, and I am not even kidding.
Now, the reason I bring this up again is because I found a new way to use this tool for free. And as you can see, it surpassed Veo 3. Of course, this is not generated with internal audio. So it surpassed Veo 3 without audio, and it even passes Veo 2, even Kling 2.0, and it even bypasses Sora. It bypasses all of them. But that's not even the craziest part. If you go over to the image to video section as well, it's also ranked #1, and I am not kidding. So if you want to get access to this tool, or first of all, let me show you what this tool can do. So basically, I'm going to show you why this tool is so good in this technical report. So basically, this is Seedance from the people who own TikTok and CapCut. Yes, you heard that right, the owners of CapCut and TikTok. And this one in particular is extremely good, mostly because of its multi-style dynamics and high-quality outputs. As you can see, the quality is through the roof, and the adherence to the prompt is so good. And as you can see here, it allows for multiple different video styles. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get access to this for free. And it also has this multi-scene consistency, which makes things so easy. As you can see, it can handle multiple different styles, and we are going to be testing it out. So basically, this is just one of them. The prompt is a teenager riding a bike in an old European urban area in the morning. You can see it has the multi-scene capability or shortcuts in the video, and everything is still very consistent. This is with just one prompt. This is literally just one prompt, and look how good it is. Here is the second one. A race car driving past the pyramids, raising yellow sand. And as you can see, it adhered to the prompt completely. I mean, just look at that. I think the only way I could see Veo 3 doing better
is with audio, and ByteDance is currently working on a way to generate this with audio as well.
Here is another one in the street. The camera follows a group of people on horseback moving forward. And you can see how realistic it is, which is absolutely amazing. Then we also have this one, which is a skier sliding on fresh snow, raising up large clouds of snow while turning. And as you can see, the physics is spot on. I think the physics of this tool is also one of its strengths against most of the AI video models out there.
Here is the second one. It can also create sci-fi scenes, and you can see that it looks like it was rendered by a human in 3D, which is very, very good. And it can change the whole Hollywood industry in the next few years. Then we have this model walking gracefully on a red carpet in a backless black gown. And as you can see, it's very realistic. I want you to look at the humans as well. As you can see, they're holding up their phones. Everything is very, very realistic.
Then, if you scroll down, as you can see, it has an inbuilt multi-shot storytelling capability, which is similar to what I told you. As you can see, a little fox roams around in the forest, and as you can see, this is just using the same prompt, but we have multiple different scenes in the same video, and everything is still consistent. As you can see, the prompt for the video says multiple shots. As you can see, this is just with one prompt, which is very, very good.
So I've been trying a couple of different ways to access it. If you go over here and search for Cdance 1.0, you can use it through v.io. But as you're going to see, if you try to log in or sign up, let's say I sign up with my Google account. After you sign up and try to type something like this, it's going to show you that it's generating. However, after some time, it's going to tell you that you need to upgrade. You can go back and try this as well. This is from cdance.io, and as you can see, they give you 40 credits. However, you actually need 50 credits to run this at maximum power, even if you change this. As you can see, you don't even have enough points to use it. But trust the AI tube skills because I found a way, and you should be greeted with this interface.
Now remember, do not rush and create an account. I'm going to advise you to watch this video to the end because as you can see, seeing the video generator and the AI avatar generator that are both better than Veo 3 being in beta and unavailable is the key if you want to use this tool for free. So if you go over here, as you can see, all of them are unavailable. So this is a very, very key point for you to be able to use this tool for as long and as much as you want. So just watch until the end.
As you can see, I just refreshed, and using my method, I now have access to the video generator and the AI avatar generator, which is very, very good. As you're going to see, this should show you 0 credits. Remember, this is why you should not just sign up. Just watch to the end, because seeing 0 credits here is very, very crucial.
So now let's go ahead and test it out. First of all, let's try the image generator because the image generator is actually one of the best in terms of quality. I'm telling you, it can go up to a high resolution. Now, you can make this 2K, but for this feature, you actually have to pay. So let me show you how the image section works. Something like this.
Make sure you choose this one. Then you can choose whatever aspect ratio you want. I can click generate. And as you can see, if you scroll down, the generation literally costs 0 credits, and I have 0 credits. Remember, as I've already shown, I only have 0 credits. So my method guarantees you get this for free and unlimited. And as you can see, they are done generating. And just look at how high resolution this is. So as you can see, here's the second one. Here is the third one. You can see they are very, very high resolution.
Let's try this for AI influencers. So as you can see, this is what we got. And just look at what a great job it did with this one. And we also have this next one. As you can see, it did a great job.
So now let's go ahead and try the #1 AI video generator out there. For that, you just need to go over to Video. Now, as you can see, this is the Cdance 1.0. Of course, this is just the mini version of it that's available here, but it's still very, very good.
Now, first of all, let's try text prompts like this one. Something like this. Make sure you choose this one. Then you can choose the duration. Of course, Veo 3 is only limited to 8 seconds, but this one can go up to 10 seconds. We're going to keep it at that, and we're going to keep this aspect ratio as well. Now, one more time, as you can see, the generation for this is absolutely 0 because of the method I'm going to be showing you in this video. And one more time, as you can see, the credit bank over here is 0, and I can click generate, and it's going to generate it for me. As you can see, it just started generating, and it's very, very fast. It doesn't waste any time.
All right, so yes, this is the result that I generated. As you can see, it did a good job. And just look at the quality, which is very, very good. Now, this isn't even the feature that I'm excited about. I'm going to show you that in just a few seconds. That one absolutely destroys Veo 3 because this over here is the mini version of Cdance, but very soon it's going to be the pro version.
So now let's try this for AI influencers. So yes, I have this prompt close-up of soft directional light illuminating the side of a woman's face sitting in silence while she cries. Let's see how it performs. This is the result. As you can see, I want you to look at the details on the skin and the super clear quality of it. And it completely adhered to the prompt. Even her slight movement is very, very good. All right, so yes, I have this one of a woman drinking coffee, and the next scene is a zoom into her eye, and let's see how it performs. All right, so this is the result. Let's take a look. I want you to look at the quality of this result, and this is amazing. So as you can see, the woman is drinking coffee. There are no weird morphing issues, and it looks very realistic. As you can see, it did a very, very good job over here. All right, so yes, I have this one, and I'm clicking generate. Now that it's done, it literally took only 3 minutes. And as you can see, it did a very, very decent job over here.
So how do you get this for free? First, you need to head over to the website, Dreamina CapCut. Let me walk you through the first steps. Remember, you shouldn't have created an account yet. You needed to watch the video up to this point. So the first thing you need to do is get a VPN. You can grab Proton VPN or the VPN Chrome extension, which is what I'm using right now. Just make sure you add it. Once you have it, click on it and connect to any African country. After you're connected, go back to Dreamina and sign up for your account. If I turn the VPN off and refresh the page, you'll see these features go back to beta. However, you'll be given 0 credits, which is super crucial because all your generations will cost exactly 0 credits. Then, to get full access, simply connect to a country like the UK or the US and refresh the page.
And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for Dreamina and activated your free unlimited access. Now you're all set to create amazing AI videos and avatars without spending a dime.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more awesome AI content coming your way.